me outside, meet me outside. Bitcoin, crypto, don't go for a ride. If you're gonna get your surfboard, get a tie. Wall Street Pete, sick dough, crypto. Please don't flip dough. I'm not always right though. I'm not a financial advisor, but just a gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby. Come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm buying crypto. I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. Take that shit right down to the cilium. I'ma put my fist through this shit. We're going to the moon and we're going soon. Alright, the name is Wall Street Pete. Crypto in crypto. I thought you'd know. We on YouTube. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Every day we come live with a video talking about this crypto world, giving you a crypto update and technical analysis. How are we doing this morning? Mr. Sellner in the house. What's up? Nice to see you and everyone else. Let's get right into it. You hit the bell, all notification. We go live. Become a subscriber today. Let's get to the 1.5K subscribers. Can we celebrate? Can we celebrate? But really, outside of the crypto world, not too much to celebrate, I'd hate to say. Could be a big Bitcoin dump coming. I wanted to present this to you, as none of this is financial advice. Hit the like and subscribe, please. It's very important. We're not going to do nothing important right now. Just come on over there out of your phone, PC, or click out and hit that like button. Thank you so much for that. Now let's get into it. Today, I forgot to talk about the S&P. Many people forgot. I talked about how we were just 10-15% away from the all-time highs of matching, and how that would be some type of a fake out, I believe, right? Why are we hitting the S&P? Now we're very close, as you can see here, almost at the all-time highs here. So we're getting very close on the S&P. It does look like it's some type of a trick, right? All-time highs back. We're only less than 5% away from the S&P being back on this huge cup and handle. So do best believe at 48, 46, we're going to be hitting major resistance. So if you're into the S&P, you can see this falling wedge we broke out of. It's hard to see with the mess I have here, but I did want to go over it because I think it's very important for people to see that. So just going over it now and showing you on the S&P, we forgot yesterday to bring it up. Huge cup and handle. I thought that would happen as soon as we broke out of this red pattern here. If you see this falling ABC-like correction finally broke out, that was our signal. And as you can see, it's happening. So just giving you an update for that. Bitcoin, why we're falling here. And as you can see, we're coming down Fibonacci level perfectly. We're going to talk more about that. CEO, if it wasn't for Brian Armstrong, thank God for this young man, for being such an intelligent, strong man that really is running a great project, great asset place here. Look, check it out. First off, if you invested $1,000 in the Ethereum project, right, on launch, well, how much would you now have? Well, as of today, 1,818, I think it's 1,888 Ethereum. You're now $2.5 million in a profit. So it's pretty insane. Right there, 1870 is the exact time of writing for 2.5 million. So it's pretty insane how $1,000 of an investment in something on a launch date could take you. And the all-time high was 4,800 price, which would have netted them 6.5 million. So pretty insane to even think about this, as it's a possibility with just $1,000. And SEC strong, Armstrong, demand to Coinbase, a potential market crash or boon for Bitcoin. And what are we talking about when we say boon instead of boom? Yeah, it's not boom, it's boon. And what they're talking about is a possible positive thing that could happen in the future for these kind of events. And Coinbase says SEC wanted all assets except Bitcoin delisted. Do you understand how scary this is? The FUD, what they're trying to do. They want to smash, as I need you to smash the like button, they want to smash crypto. Don't know if you realize how big of a deal that would be, but non-Bitcoin crypto assets are 55% of Bitcoin's custody business and 2/3 of its transaction revenue and trading volume. So, but the same clownish SEC that approved the company IPO basically said you need to stop doing the majority of your business or we'll sue you. So this is kind of what happened. So we're keeping you up to date. This is following Wall Street Pete, wallst.pete on Instagram if you've not done so. And, thank you very much, Blake. I'd like to bring it out. I hope this wasn't an embarrassment for anybody or him himself, but
Blake, we thank you so much. You've been doing this for 2 years now. Every month, every first of the month, we see a payment from PayPal, which we have to invest at least half of it, right? We do good with the others, but we do as best as we can on this channel. We do appreciate everybody, and very humble, very thankful for that. Ken, we have some Ken energy. They talked about the Bitcoin and the Barbie, so the macro with that. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'm only hitting it to show you we need some help. Become a subscriber today. So SEC sues crypto influencer for allegedly buying sports car and rare black diamond with investor funds. So what happened? Well, they sued. They sued Mr. Hart. And what happened here, and I wanted to get into it, here it is. In its lawsuit, the SEC alleges Hart raised over $1 billion through his unregistered Hex Pulse chain and Pulse X crypto securities. According to the SEC, Hart marketed his product as a pathway. So what's happening is Hart was called and investors to buy crypto asset securities in offerings that he failed to register. So he then defrauded those investors by spending some of their crypto assets and went on an exuberant luxury goods. This is insane. This action seeks to protect the investing public and hold Hart accountable for his actions. So if you're wondering, more FUD in the crypto space, he is now being sued, and he got caught, Mr. Hart. So he did not get away with that. But getting back to here, he held his guns, and they came back to us, as Mr. Armstrong said, and they said, "We believe every asset other than Bitcoin is a security," said Coinbase CEO. And we said, well, how are you coming to that conclusion? Because that's not our interpretation of the law. And they said, well, we're not going to explain it to you. Oh, really? You can't fucking explain it to them. That's why they're not going to explain it to him. You need to delist every asset other than Bitcoin. So I cannot believe it, but thank you, Mr. Armstrong, for holding your guns, for being who you are, because if you weren't, this would have caused a catastrophic failure, catastrophic fall in the crypto space, where we would have lost 20,557. So we bring you with the crypto news in the beginning. We talk about the charts afterwards. And like I said, none of it's financial advice, but a gentleman twice as nice bringing you some crypto information. Now, what I believe is happening here, and I wanted to fix this chart just a little bit. It's Bitcoin. Getting into it, what happened here is we were paying attention to the Fibonacci sequence. It seems to help us out big time when needed. So here we are right now looking at this chart, and I do believe this is just about approximately what I have set up for you. Daily chart, each candle represents 1 day, 24 hours. I want to get rid of some of this and clean it up for you, but please comment, hit the like and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking. Please, no negative feedback. We don't want that. We want love, peace, and happiness. Right? This is why I love Post Malone even more. The gentleman is amazing. So here we are, coming down. What I think is going to happen, and this is what I've been speaking of for about the last month. It's just been taking that long to get there. Technical analysis is amazing. 28,300 is about the approximate bottom here. Now, this is where I think we can go. What will happen now if we break this 50% level? You can see it's a 50% pullback. If we are absolutely going back into the bullish direction, which is, if you could pay attention, right, an ascending channel here we have built for you, white lines, the bottom and the top white line. What we're showing to you is an ascending channel that we've been trading in since 2023 of January, circled right here for you all the way to December. So if you pay attention of last year, so if you pay attention, January 3rd coming in, we have been doing this pattern. Every time we bounce to the bottom here, this is the bottom of this ascending channel, we have a nice, beautiful bounce to the upside. So what I'm expecting here is a nice bounce around the 28.3 and the 27.5. Some people are leaving. I don't know why. You're missing the most important part of the video. This is a 50% pullback. If we do bounce perfectly off the 28.3, we are then going to continue to bounce up and break through massively, quickly through, and you will see something happen. We'll test that 31.4 or break right through and come all the way to 32.3. This is what I'm expecting from Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen. Trying to keep this a 10-minute video. We have 15 seconds and we're done. So this is what I'm speaking of. Pay attention. Bitcoin thrives on everything. If we start finishing a daily candle below the 61.8, which is, if you pay attention, I'm giving you a quick update, 27,500. Once we start breaking below there, finishing a daily candle, we are in deep doo-doo, and there is a double top M coming, which is going to tank us through all the way to even past here, which is now 19.8, so it would be the next crash. So pay close attention for that. Obviously, that's what it would take for it to happen, but we are paying attention to the macro, we're paying attention to everything down here, and we're looking for another double bottom here to set up nicely on my oversold zone. So on this indicator, I do expect an oversold zone. I'm hoping hoping for Bitcoin to get a nice bounce off the 28.3. That's what we want. If not, the worst case scenario is 27.557. So Wall Street Pete, Signo, and crypto. Just giving you a quick update on the charts. I hope you appreciate it. Total crypto market cap is 1.17, and there is a little bit of FUD going around. So as I said about a month ago, we've been talking about this decline, the 31.4 resistance. Now we're coming down to it. This is what is happening. So Wall Street Pete keeping you up to date. As you can see what's going on in the last few days, we have been falling. Last 24 hours, we are coming down even more. So most likely, like the FUD, everyone gets excited when the price is going up. Yes, well, everybody gets excited in the other way around when the price is going down. Everyone is on a selling spree. Obviously, they're trying to stop trading in the U.S. That's obvious. You can see what's going on. These are the reasons why I have a HODL account, why I keep buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, because you never know when you won't be able to at some point in time. It's insane living in America today. I never thought I would say that. Very grateful to be here. I'm not one of those people who are ungrateful, stepping on the flag, being a douchebag. But the problem is it's getting to the point where a lot more other people are getting ungrateful because they don't want more billionaires in this world. What is one of the easiest ways in 2023 to become a billionaire or make $1 billion in a year? That is trade crypto, my friends. If you don't think that that's a fact, well, then you are on the wrong channel already. So Wall Street Pete, Signo, and crypto. I hope you have a wonderful day. Please be careful in this crypto space. This is getting ugly. I am actually very concerned. I've not been this concerned in a while. I am going on vacation. Today is the last day at my home grounds, my residence, and then I will have somebody here watching the house as I relax in the sand. So hope to see you soon from the sand. I can't wait to do a video from the phone, chilling on the beach. Yes, I got a place off the beach like I do usually every year. Pretty excited to do that. So if you'd like to welcome me in the next video on vacation, or perhaps maybe we do another video before we leave, depends on the market. We'll see what happens. I do hope for that bounce. Pay attention. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. Just a gentleman. Twice as nice. Used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Traded with some of the best traders, some of the smartest traders in the world. These people were amazing. I'll tell you, some of the guys that I traded with on this trading floor, they've made me a better person in not just trading and seeing charts, but they made me a better person. I could have stopped right there. So peace in, peace out. I love you very much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for the good wishes on vacation. I will make sure I have a great time. I don't drink much, but guess what? I will be drinking this week. Have a good one, guys.